Okay, so let's make a Tommy's margarita, and for that you're going to want glassware, and here we have a margarita glass with some ice chilling. Now you're going to want your shaker, because this is a shaken cocktail, and then you're going to want to start adding your ingredients. And for that you're going to be wanting to add 60ml of your Blanco tequila. And then 30ml of your fresh squeezed lime juice. Ooh. And then you're going to be wanting to add 15ml of your agave syrup. So that's all the ingredients added. Now we're going to want to add ice to the shaker. And then quickly we're going to discard that. We're going to take our glass and then we're going to get a bit of lime and we're going to go around the edge. And then we're going to get our salt and just give that a bit of a crust around the edge there. There we go. Now we are going to shake. Now that's shaken, we're going to double strain into our glass, just so we don't get any ice crystals. And then finally garnish with a bit of lime. And there we have it, a Tommy's margarita.